Okay, so Google just dropped the Pixel 9 not too long ago, but in classic tech world fashion, we're already peeking way ahead. Because rumors about the Pixel 10 and even the Pixel 11 are already making waves. Yup, we're skipping ahead like we're binging a series on 2x speed. And if even half of this leak-fueled madness turns out to be true, Google's future phones are about to go from smart to straight-up genius. Remember when you had to download 5 different apps just to make your video look halfway decent? Yeah, those days might be over soon. The Pixel 10 is reportedly bringing video generative AI into the mix. Think, the magical photo editing tools you already know and love, like object removal and touch-ups, but now for video. It's like having a tiny Hollywood editor living inside your phone. Trim, fix lighting, erase your ex from that vacation video, say less. Google's apparently cooking up something called Speak to Tweak, which sounds exactly like what you think. Tell your phone, make the sky bluer, or soften the background, and boom, it just does it. Another rumored feature, Sketch to Image, could turn your bad doodles into surprisingly good images. We're talking AI-powered artistry, perfect for when inspiration hits but your drawing skills don't. Oh, and there's a mysterious thing called Magic Mirror. No clue what it actually does, but the name screams AR filters, or maybe even a smart mirror selfie mode. Fingers crossed it's as cool as it sounds. Behind all this futuristic wizardry is the upcoming Tensor G5 chip, and this thing is sounding beastly. It's expected to make AI features run locally, echo super fast, no waiting for cloud processing, while also bumping up performance and efficiency across the board. Also, say hello to 4K at 60 fps HDR. That's a nice step up from what we've got now and a huge win for mobile videographers and casual creators alike. Now, if the Pixel 10 sounds cool, the Pixel 11 is like the sequel that actually lives up to the hype. One big standout: cinematic blur for video, a buttery soft background effect that gives your footage that big screen look. But wait, the real MVP might be on-device night sight video. Right now, Google does this kind of enhancement in the cloud, which means delays and uploads. The Pixel 11 might ditch all that and do it locally, making low-light video recording way faster and more reliable. That could be a game changer for night owls, party people, and anyone who's ever tried to film in a dimly lit room. AI is clearly the star of the show in Google's future phones, and if the leaks are accurate, Pixels are about to become way more than just smartphones. We're talking about legit creative tools that fit in your pocket. Of course, leaks are leaks, and things could change before launch day, but it's hard not to get hyped. So, what's catching your eye? Voice-controlled edits? Night video magic? Or are you just trying to guess what Magic Mirror even is? Hit me with your thoughts. I'm already refreshing for the next leak. Until then, take care.